Zero or not, here I come. Why did I do this? Well, what it is with number one, with games in number one, in racing, in harness, right? The 10 horse, right? The blanket that they put on the horse's back has a split. On one side it's red, the other side it's blue. So I'd put it like that: 27 and 40 equals to 67. If it was in French, it'd be rouge, right? Instead of just red. So here we have a three-letter word for 27. The average is 9. And here we have a five-letter word. This is 36, and 12 is 48, 58, 66. Wow. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. So here we have in rotation of the breath over here with the 5 letters in red. And then this one is with the sun. The difference between the one is I splitting it this way and this way. What it is one of them's a window. I can split like that. So I only show one straight line down the center. But because the second one, right, has a cube in the center over here, we can't go down the center. The only thing to do is we must go in and out of these lines like this, corner to corner or on the line. So this one we can break this way. This one we can go this way. This one will be the 1. This one will be the 10. Duality is this singularity, right? There's a duality. What is duality? 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 5, and everything passes through the 5 area, right? And that's just number one. It's all of what this is. But the 1 is not that. The 19, right? 1 and 9, 10 is not that. The 37 is not that. 19 and 37 equals to 56 plus 1. The Mars moon connecting into our moon, we don't have to add it up, just add the 1. See, that's what's happening, I believe, with a lot of work. Everybody's saying, well, things aren't perfect. Of course not. You're missing 1, 2, or 3. We have to understand the association between the moons and the sun. The other value over here, 13, okay, we got that. And the other one's going to be what is 10 and 28 and 30, what is it, 46, sorry, 46. We have 46. Here's 46. So 46, 50. So this is 74, right? And that's energy. And 10 equals to 84 with Pluto. All right, this is going to be your God angel. This is going to be your Mars moons, right? Here we're going to split the red and the blue, hot and the cold. Same thing over here, right? Here we got a 9-4. Over here we have 9-4.27 because it's a 3 cubic. It's a 9 face, right? The number of dots on here is going to be 16. The number of dots over here is going to be 9. Where do I get that from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Let's raise a glass to the pigs of the sky, flying pigs. Thank you for watching this video.